Kids love Vicks Vapors, and now you'll really love new Vicks Vapor Stick. It goes on clear and dries quickly. No mess. Just soothing Vicks Vapors for the whole family. Introducing new Vicks Vapor Stick.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south central Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of McLeansboro, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nora City around 11 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Carmi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hamilton and Warren. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern White County in southeastern Illinois, southern Hamilton County in south central Illinois, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:45 p.m.,
Remember, this year, for any ever to shop. Is that
5WA. So text me a photo. Fish chip. Do you still accept?
Nature can rehab water,
so? While you're here, can you also check
and snow, but no other weather phenomenon conveys
maybe? I wish I was here.
winds of October 23rd, 2017. It's business as usual at Textiles Factory in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Outside, the factory's security cameras capture a growing